Yeah, hi guys. Welcome to our solar and inverter installation series. Installed here is a 5 kVA 48 volts Circle hybrid inverter mated with a 48 volts battery bank with a PV system of 3600 watts, say 303.6 kilowatts if we're about to estimate. This system is set up or designed to power a clinic, both the up and ground floor, with its appliances, light points, TVs, fridge, clinic equipment, and lots more for 15 to 23 hours. Say about 24 hours. 48 volts Circle 5 kVA power inverter designed to run on renewable mode, to run on the solar during the day and then on battery at night. It's past the evening, so at this point, we're going to run on our inverter if the light goes off. Currently, we're on grid, charging on grid. We're charging with about 3.4 amps, 233 volts from the grid. As you can see now, our battery is that's a 51.2 hertz. Our battery is on 55.1 volts, charging from the grid. So at this point, if we turn off our main switch, because the sun is set from our PV, at this point we just have 120 volts from our PV here, and then zero point 0.1 amps. But what we have in our battery should be sufficient to power the load in this spread all night long. Circle inverter mated with a 48 volts battery bank and a 3.6 kilowatts of PV. Alright. So here guys, that's just a sneak peek. We'll turn on our PV, our mains, so our system can keep the batteries fresh for usage when there's no mains. So at this point, these premises would stay powered on 247. There's no door here. At every point in time, there's expected to be power in these premises. This would help in the treatment of people who come for medical attention. There will be enough power to run the services. Go solar today and have the needed peace of mind. Charging on mains. Circle Sun Pro inverter. Very hybrid inverter. Charging on mains.